If you are scared of subtraction just like me, this video is for you. Try this. If we subtract both the numbers from the same value, answer would not change. To make the calculation simpler, subtract both numbers by 1. 80 minus 1, 79. 27 minus 1, 26. Subtract them. Instantly, we get 53. Let's take another example. Again, subtract 1 from both the numbers. 600 minus 1, 599. 428 minus 1, 427. 599 minus 427 directly gives 172. But what about this example? Here you cannot apply the previous method. For this, I'll give you the fastest method that can be applied to any subtraction no matter how big the number is. Just subtract the larger number to the smaller number. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Only a slight variation. Whenever bottom number is higher than the top number, like in 7 minus 2 and 9 minus 5, put a dash on the result. Start with the first dash, that is 5. Take this number and the number before it as 1 unit. 3 5 dash would mean 30 minus 5. We get 25. To solve for 4 dash, consider 5 4 dash. This would mean 50 minus 4, 46. And the result you get is 246. This trick requires a little bit practice. So now try this subtraction. 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 2, 7 dash. 7 minus 2, 5. 8 minus 6, 2 dash. To solve 7 dash, consider 37. 30 minus 7, 23. To solve for 2 dash, consider 5 2 dash. 50 minus 2, 48. Within seconds, you get 2348. Now try the subtraction with big numbers. 4 minus 0, 4. 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 2, 2 dash. 2 minus 1, 1 dash. 7 minus 6, 1 dash. First solve for 2 dash. But here there is a small problem. If you consider 0 2, 0 minus 2 will give a negative number. So whenever you have 0 before dash, instead of taking 2 digits, consider the 3 digits. That means this time consider 402 dash. 400 minus 2, 398. Solve for 1 dash. 8 1 dash is 80 minus 1, 79. And for last 1 dash, take 9 1 dash. So 90 minus 1, 89. This video ends here, but I want you to take any big example by yourself and try this method.